If you're sick of dumping out the dustbin in your vacuum, this is for you. No more touching dust. This is the smartest vacuum I have ever used. This is the Uwant V500 cordless stick vacuum featuring auto dust collection and a dust scraping ring that keeps the filter clog free, a wide angle green detection light that highlights hidden dust and pet hair, an all-in-one docking station with a space-saving compact footprint, a powerful 35 kPa suction, with 3 power modes and a relatively quiet noise level, 3 brush heads to swap out, and a long battery life. I was set this to review, but I am literally obsessed with it. So let me show you a closer look at how awesome it is. Very quick unboxing. Here is everything ready to assemble. Here's the user's manual going over the different parts, how to assemble it, how to clean the dust cup and the body, and some troubleshooting. First, we're gonna assemble our base. So we've got this part down here, and this tall part is gonna go right on top. Then we're going to insert our battery pack right here. Snaps right in, and then you'll see right in there, you'll be able to charge that. Here's the main part of the vacuum, and now we're gonna install the stick. There we go. On the side of the main base here, look in here, just lift it and pull it out. You've got the first dust bag already installed. This is what is going to keep it so clean. And there was a second one that's included, but the first one's already installed. It's just gonna go right in there. Super easy. Snap that back in. Let's do an up close of the head here before we start. This is really, really interesting. I've never seen one quite like this, but you've got this kind of orange is like a rubber, and then the soft brushes. Wow. This back here, there's your light. You've got smart rollers here, your rollers. This is going to pivot. If you do need to clean this out, that release is right here for the roller head. Just push it up and the whole thing snaps out. Then you can just snap it back in. Now we're going to attach the final piece. Now we're ready to go. Look at this base. When you look in there, that is that bag that's already installed inside there. So your dustbin is gonna open up there and dump into this bag, so you don't have to deal with all that dust and grossness. So let's go ahead and get that up in there. Just lift it up a little bit and snap it down in there. So now it's not gonna fall over wherever you have it in your closet or whatever. It is in this little base, standing so nice and sturdy. Now we got to plug it in so it is charging. We got a non-polarized 2-prong plug. Now this is going to plug into your base, but don't forget you can also plug it directly into the vacuum if you're not using the base. So here is where it is, just here on the back. That was the auto dust collection. So as soon as you pop it on here to charge, it's gonna clean itself and charge. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and remove this protective film. This is cool too. We've got spots for our 2 little accessories right on the base. Amazing, and they're not loose on there either. They're really sturdy. They're not gonna fall over. Very handy right here, the power and the mode, and then you can read everything here. There we go. Look at that light. Then you can change the mode. Boost, Eco, Standard. Look at how far that lights up under the bed. That's ridiculous. Oh my gosh, and look at that. Oh my gosh, can go that far under my bed. Amazing. Ooh, look at that dust. I can see everything. You just turn to steer. Look at that. Get it. Yes. Look at how it just completely lights up your way with that green light. It's gonna show you every crumb and dust and hair. This is great for pet hair. This is great for dust balls and stuff that you would never see without that light. It has a 110-degree wide angle. It is absolutely amazing, as is also the fact that you can lay this thing down flat and keep vacuuming. So it's gonna fit under really short things like your bed and your couch perhaps. It does have this little rubber bumper thing on the bottom. So when you're down low trying to get super low stuff, it's not gonna scratch the floor, and you can also place it down like that when you take a break. It is not self-standing. If you stand it vertically against something, it will stand, but if you lean it like back at all, it'll just roll out. So be very careful. Have it completely vertical and then it will stand. Let's test out some of these attachments. Pop that off. We're just gonna pop that in there. So that's an amazing brush. You can also pull it and lock it back. Just pop this out and we'll try the crevice tool. Wow, yes. Now we want to go back to the regular vacuum mode. Boom, we're ready. It works on hardwood floors, tile, carpets, everything. Oh my gosh, so, so, so good. Even got it down here. I've got some hair out of my girl's brushes, so we're gonna test it out on that. Wow! Let's see. We did get some stuck in here. Nothing major. You can cut that out, you can just pull it out, and then again, you can just release the brush head to fully clean it out as well. That did amazing. And then when you charge it, what? It cleans itself. Oh my gosh. And then it dumps all of that into that bag in here. Oh my gosh. Amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it.